Mga ka-Health Real Talk, did you know your brain generates enough electricity to power a light bulb? Oo, may ilaw ka sa loob mo kahit hindi mo nararamdaman. Kaya kung madilim ang buhay mo, baka kailangan mo lang mag-isip ng maliwanag. The brain works non-stop. Thinking, deciding, feeling, imagining, solving. At sa bawat thought, may spark, may energy, may potential. Hindi mo lang napapansin kasi internal yung ilaw. Minsan ang buhay parang brownout. Walang direksyon, walang clarity, walang pag-asa. Pero the moment you shift your mindset, kahit konting positivity lang, biglang may flashlight. Hindi kailangan na maliwanag agad. Kahit dim light, sapat na para makita ang next step. So protect your thoughts kasi sila ang switch ng buhay mo. So if things feel dark right now, don't assume it's the end. Check your wiring, check your mindset, check your perspective. This is your Health Real Talk reminding you that the power to light up your life has always been inside your head. Ako po si Arlene para sa Health Real Talk. Have a nice day, everyone.